7 Days Deep Work Challenge. Results revealed for enhanced productivity. Deep work is a focused state of mind that enhances productivity and creativity, as defined by Cal Newport in his book Deep Work. Defining the challenge: the 7 Days Deep Work Challenge is a self-guided program designed to help individuals develop the discipline and focus required for deep work. Participants commit to dedicating extended periods, usually 24 hours each day, to focused, uninterrupted tasks. Setting expectations. The power of deep work. Deep work significantly boosts productivity by reducing cognitive overhead and increasing one's ability to produce high-quality output in less time. Research indicates that deep work increases problem-solving skills, creativity, and overall job satisfaction. Hoffman et al., 2018. The challenge: a daily deep work routine. Day 1. Identify high-value tasks. Participants begin by identifying tasks that provide the most significant value to their work or personal lives. These tasks are prioritized for deep work sessions. A case study by Newport 2016 found that when individuals focused on their highest value tasks during deep work sessions, they experienced a 53% productivity increase. By identifying high-value tasks, participants can maximize the benefits of their deep work sessions. Day 2. Eliminate distractions. Participants remove potential distractions from their workspace and create a conducive environment for deep work. This might involve using productivity tools or setting boundaries with colleagues and family members. A study by Wagner et al. 2018 found that minimizing distractions during deep work sessions led to a 50% increase in productivity. By eliminating distractions, participants can maintain their focus and achieve higher levels of productivity during deep work sessions. Day 3. Set specific goals. Participants establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for each deep work session. This helps to maintain focus and track progress. A study by Locke and Latham 2002 found that setting SMART goals significantly increased productivity and motivation. By setting specific goals, participants can measure their progress and stay motivated throughout the challenge. Day 4. Embrace the deep work mindset. Participants adopt a mindset that values deep work and prioritizes it over shallow work, i.e., tasks that require little mental effort. This involves viewing deep work as essential to personal and professional growth. A study by Mueller and Oppenheimer 2014 found that individuals who adopted a deep work mindset were more likely to engage in deep work and experience its benefits. By embracing the deep work mindset, participants are more likely to commit to deep work sessions and reap their rewards. Day 5. Maintain consistency. Participants aim to maintain a consistent deep work routine, scheduling dedicated time for deep work each day. Consistency helps to build the habit of deep work and ensures that it becomes an integral part of one's daily life. A study by Duig 2012 found that habits formed through consistency can lead to significant improvements in productivity and overall well-being. By maintaining consistency, participants build the habit of deep work, making it easier to sustain over the long term. Day 6. Reflect and adjust. Participants reflect on their progress throughout the challenge and make necessary adjustments to their deep work routine based on personal needs and preferences. This might involve modifying goal-setting strategies or experimenting with different productivity tools. A study by Locke et